Hey guys, look what I got in the mail today. This wonderful box of joy. I'm going to do an unboxing with this, so you can see what it is. There's a lot of tape on this box. Paper and packing peanuts. And then there's this, which I'm going to need to cut open. Shonen Jump. In Japanese, also. So this is my prize for winning a contest from Baka Unboxing. And as you can see, I won a lot of Naruto manga, along with a Japanese Shonen Jump magazine. And I must commend him on his quick shipping and ensuring a quick delivery. So it was great. Thank you very, very much, and I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.